All right, here we go. Oh, there's not even that many. Okay, we have like a radio, and it has like MHZ, like hertz. And there's a button underneath that says TX. But yeah, it looks like a radio, like one of those old radios.
Yeah.
And it says TX, and on the screen it says 3.505.
3.505.
Mm-hmm.
What the? Oh, is it beeping?
Yeah, it's like flashing.
Okay, tell me the beeps.
3 flashes.
Oh, no, it's
4 flashes.
I think it's like Morse. They
1
go like
flash.
beep 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 like that.
How the fuck am I supposed to? Okay. When do I know when the beginning is?
I don't know. Just tell me randomly.
Beep 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 beep.
Can you do it again?
I think I have to wait for it to fully restart. I don't. Okay, I'm just gonna start.
Okay.
Beep beep. Oh no! Beep 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 beep.
What?
You don't understand how fucking complex this is. Okay. Beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep.
Just click the X. Just click the TX button.
It worked. Okay.
Nice.
Alright, there's a button that says abort and it's blue.
I can't believe that worked. I can't believe that worked.